Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to make small money, money that will not pay your rent but at least put something in your pocket, then I'm going to introduce you to this platform that pays you to complete different tasks. This one is available worldwide, especially for those of you in Nigeria. It's available, and I'm going to also show you how to earn more money from this website. Okay, if you're interested, watch till the end, share with someone. I've seen your comments. Some of you are desperately in need of money. You can check this website out. Commit your time, at least 1 or 2 hours a day, to work on this website. All right, believe me, you're going to earn some money. Okay, so this is available worldwide, and you only need your phone. You don't need a laptop, you don't need a degree for it. This is something you can do on your phone, from your home, or even on the bus. Okay, so let's check it out. Give this video a thumbs up, share with someone, and subscribe for videos like this. Let's get started. The website we're looking at today is called Earnlab. Earnlab. It's a platform that allows you to earn by completing surveys, tasks, offers, even through affiliate rewards. So if this interests you, watch till the end. It's almost like Timebox. It's similar to Timebox. Okay, and looking at my screen here, you can see people that are cashing out in USD. The best part, it's available worldwide. So I'll sign out to show you guys the sign up process. This is it here. Earn rewards anywhere, anytime. Earnlab makes any money online easy and secure. Complete simple, engaging tasks tailored to your schedule and start earning rewards today, anytime, anywhere. Get started by either signing up with your email and password, or your Google account, Facebook, and Steam. So I signed up using my Google account. You can do so. Okay, they have live support to help you in case you encounter any difficulty. You can earn by doing this task here, or you earn by completing games. All right, so this one is suitable for those who are looking for something they can do on their phones. So this is my dashboard, and I already earned 25 cents. Okay, I'm using a new account. I have an old account, but I'm using a new account. I have 25 cents here. You can display it in dollar or in coins. So I have 250 coins, or if you display it in dollar, it shows $0.25. It's my wallet. Okay, now this is the home page we are on. You can earn here, you can complete race, you can earn reward. There are different things you can do here. You can even earn through affiliate. If you climb 10 tiers, you earn up to 20% commission for affiliate. These are featured tasks that you can see. Okay, then featured surveys, you see premium survey. These are available surveys right now. I'm going to tell you what to do if you're not getting enough surveys. It's not like Timebox. Okay, I'll tell you what to do. They have offer walls for you: Torox, Accent Media, Game Center, Atoll Wall, AdGate Media, Lootably, Ayet Studio, Moonleaks, Time Wall. So for Lootably, hang my ads. If you unlock, you earn $1. So for Lootably, how Lootably works is that you watch videos, okay, to get paid. Install and open, register, complete the KYC process, fund your account, you earn $1. If you want to do this one, you can do multiple rewards up to 2,100 coins for CapCut. If you don't have a CapCut account, you can download it to earn. So go through all the apps they have here. Craftsy. Then I want to go back to videos. So they run this through Cheddar TV. You watch videos, sign up, watch videos, then redeem your cheese. So all you have to do is to click on watch videos and then sign up. If you have an account, you can log in. So you can link it here. Let's link it. See, this account was created a year ago, and I'm even on level 3. So you watch ads. Let's open this one for instance. So you just open the ads, let it play. After it finishes playing, your point will be increasing, and once your point increases, you can cash it out through here. You see where it says redeem cheese. You redeem it into money to go into your account. Redeem cheese like this. So this is where it will come in. So I actually linked it to my free cash account. I've linked Earnlab here as well. So once I watch video, I can redeem either via Super Pay Me or Earnlab. That's how it works. So all you have to do is to watch videos, let the videos play. The point will be accumulating here. People place ads here, and once you watch their videos, they already paid for the ads. So you watching it, you will get paid as well. My internet is a bit slow, so I'm going to carry on now with the rest of the video. So that's how you do this cheddar. You can check the apps, check surveys. These are surveys. Pollfish as well is a good survey as well. Lots of surveys you can complete on Pollfish and make money. So these are all you can do on this website. Watch walls. Watch wall contains hundreds of videos to watch, so you can watch videos here to earn. You can earn by completing these tasks: upper walls, watching videos, surveys, and all of that. We have $3,000 monthly race, $50 daily race. For this one, for you to take part in this one, you need to make $10. Make $25 or $5 to take part in this race. For rewards, you can join their Discord. If I join now, so you can sign up to their community and earn 15-cent reward. Then VIP program, level up by earning and enjoying even more benefits. For VIP programs, they have 7-day streak boxes. Mine hasn't started yet. If you log in every day, you earn $1. Okay, if you maintain the streak, you earn $1. They have missions. You complete all 50 missions and reach all milestones to earn additional reward. There are several things you can do here, different things. Don't forget the affiliate program. You also earn money if you refer people. And I've told you guys to always refer people. If you refer someone who lives outside Nigeria and they're earning, it means you are also going to be earning. Okay, that's one good thing about it. So you can also play games. They have these games here that you can play and earn money. They even have battles, box battles you can take part in and get paid. You're looking for something you can do on your phone. So I have 0.03 cents for game and 0.25 cents for my main balance already. If you're looking for something you can do, with your phone, those of you that don't have laptop, computer, this one is for you. Check it out, give your time. You have opportunity to chat with your live support agent here if you have any questions or confusions. So I thought to share this one with you guys. We are talking about ways to make money online. We're talking work from home jobs. We're talking online gigs. We're also talking this one, any app or website that can pay us. We're talking about it on this channel. So go and sign up. The name again is Earnlab. Sign up, start making money. Right? Let me know. I love updates. I love when you guys update me in the comments. Please update me in the comments with your progress, and don't forget to like this video. It encourages me and it tells YouTube that people actually are looking for this type of content. That's why you need to like, comment, engage with me. I need to hear your thoughts. I need to know where it's paining you. I need to know where it's hooking you in the comments. It's never everybody that is interested in this type of surveys and task websites. Some are interested in real online jobs. So let me know your thoughts. Okay, thanks so much everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.